I felt like having a little bit of fun tonight, so I thought that I would just dance in front of the camera for no particular reason at all. What do you think about that? What do I like? Okay, I was in like a really great mood tonight, and I was packing, if you want to see, all my boxes now. All these boxes, right now, all those, and over there, and I'm packing. There's one right there that I'm packing. So, needless to say, oops, I have all this crap that I have to do before I move, and it's just so much shit, you know. I didn't think I had all this stuff that I had to move. Cheerio. This is, by the way, is a dedication to my friend Nick in London, because I have my London accent right now. I don't know if I'm doing it that great, but I hope I am. So I think I'm going to go dance some more. I want to pick a good song. So I'm going to pick a song right now. I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. You get by with a little help from my friends. Ah, yes. Nick. He asked if we could have any job in the world, what would it be? Photography, definitely. I would like not to work for National Geographic, but I would like to have my own magazine of photography, you know, that people would actually subscribe to and want to read. Okay, I'm going to change my skirt right now. I never wear the skirt that I'm about to wear right now. Keep me waiting all of the time. What can I do? But to do what you want. It's a very short skirt. So this is for Nick in London, my little gay friend, because he wants us to wear something short. But please don't keep me waiting. So tired. I'm going crazy. Brittany, baby, it's Brittany. She asked us 3 facts about ourselves that nobody really knew, I suppose. Oh God. I'm kind of an open book. I stole something once. It was like this eye cream that was like $120 from this Aveda store. It didn't really work that good either. If I want to pee, this is what I have to use. I don't know if you can really see it too well. It's a self-cap. It's a 14 French self-cap. Yeah. I like women. Not just any women. There's just a particular type that I like. And at this point in my life, I think I would rather be in a relationship with a woman because I've been so scorned by men. I'm just like, my heart has been broken left and right. So. Since you've been gone. Justin asked, what is the perfect date? I want to say that the perfect date would be fucking all night long. No, I'm kidding. I'm joking.
The perfect date would be, I don't really know, to be honest with you. I have no idea. I'm going to have to like plead the fifth on that one because I don't know what the perfect date is. I've never been on the perfect date. I just, I don't know. It would include honesty though. Because I think, after a month, you like the person. A couple of months, you know all their quirks, or most of them. After 3 months, you know if you're going to be with that person for a while or not, or if you don't think you like them, you shouldn't really fucking be with them. So, that's all I gotta say about that. We spend our lives just questioning every single moment that we have. People just like question everything. They're like, why this, why that, who this, how come, and sometimes I just want to say, dude, shut the fuck up and live your fucking life already. Who gives a fuck about someone's past, someone's future, someone's present? I am irritated, frustrated. Fuck! And June asked, have we ever wanted something so bad, like we would do anything to get it? Yeah. Right now, what I want so bad is Bobby. And I would do anything for him, and I have done so far since he's left.
Something has happened to me, and there's no reversing it. Something is definitely happening to me, and there's no reversing it.
What the fuck are you looking at? Nosy. Does my one vote alone count? I want Slurpee Girl. I think she is funny, you guys. I think we should definitely include her in Shockwave. I think she's very eccentric, interesting, dynamite, weird, dark, in a very good way. I think we should definitely include her into Shockwave Project. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So, that was my rant for today. So, everybody have a lovely, lovely, lovely evening, and I'll see you again on another fucking crazy ass day of mine. Oh, yeah. Did I say that I love you yet?